Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today we're stepping into pure American automotive royalty and cruising straight into the golden age of chrome, fins, and unapologetic luxury. In front of us is the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, finished in a deep, elegant dark green that perfectly captures the drama and prestige of late 1950s design. This isn't just a car, this is a statement, a rolling symbol of success from an era when Cadillac proudly called itself the standard of the world. The Eldorado Biarritz was the crown jewel of Cadillac's lineup, aimed at celebrities, business tycoons, and anyone who wanted the absolute best without compromise. In this long review, we'll explore its breathtaking exterior, its lavish interior, its smooth and powerful performance, and finally, what this icon is worth today. So sit back, imagine the sound of a big American V8, and let's take a deep dive into one of the most legendary convertibles ever built. Exterior. The exterior of the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is nothing short of legendary. This model year is famous worldwide for having the tallest tailfins ever put on a production car, and seeing them in person is an unforgettable experience. The fins rise dramatically from the rear fenders, ending in bullet-shaped taillights that look like jet afterburners. In dark green, the body lines feel even more dramatic, as the color adds depth and richness while allowing the chrome to shine like jewelry. Every angle of this car was designed to impress, from the massive grille up front to the long, low stance that stretches nearly 19 feet from bumper to bumper. Up front, the Eldorado Biarritz features a wide, imposing grille with quad headlights, a relatively new styling trend at the time. The hood is long and flat, emphasizing the power hidden underneath, while subtle creases guide your eyes toward the Cadillac crest, a symbol of prestige recognized across the globe. Chrome surrounds almost every detail, including the headlights, grille, bumper, and side trim, reflecting sunlight like a mirror and making the car sparkle as it rolls down the road. Along the sides, the Eldorado's proportions are elegant and dramatic at the same time. The long doors, exclusive to the two-door convertible body style, give easy access to the cabin and add to the car's upscale presence. Signature Eldorado side trim and script badges remind everyone that this is not a standard Cadillac. The dark green paint pairs beautifully with white wall tires, which were practically mandatory on luxury cars of this era, and the polished wheel covers complete the look with classic sophistication. At the rear, the design reaches its peak. Those iconic fins dominate the view, making the car instantly recognizable even from a distance. The rear bumper is massive, with integrated exhaust outlets and chrome details that underline the car's width and confidence. When the convertible top is down, the Eldorado Biarritz looks like a glamorous parade car, ready to be seen and admired. Even today, more than 6 decades later, the exterior design still stops people in their tracks and sparks conversations wherever it goes. Interior. Step inside the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, and you're welcomed into a world of luxury that defined an entire generation. The interior was designed to feel like a high-end living room on wheels, with comfort and style taking absolute priority. Premium leather upholstery covers the seats, often in rich contrasting colors that complement the dark green exterior beautifully. The seats are wide, soft, and supportive, built for relaxed cruising rather than aggressive driving. The dashboard is a masterpiece of 1950s design, filled with chrome accents, bright work, and futuristic shapes inspired by the jet age. Large, clear gauges provide essential information, while the speedometer stretches wide across the dash, making even modest speeds feel exciting. Cadillac paid special attention to materials, using high-quality metals, padded surfaces, and detailed stitching to ensure that everything felt solid and luxurious. One of the standout features inside the Eldorado Biarritz is the level of technology offered for its time. Power windows, power seats, power steering, and power brakes were either standard or commonly equipped, making the driving experience effortless. The convertible top is power-operated, allowing drivers to lower it smoothly and enjoy open-air cruising at the touch of a button. For the late 1950s, this level of convenience was truly advanced. The steering wheel is large and elegant, often finished in a two-tone design with a chrome horn ring proudly displaying the Cadillac emblem. This oversized will not only looks impressive but also makes steering the massive car surprisingly manageable. Rear seat passengers are treated to generous legroom and plush seating, making the Eldorado Biarritz a true four-passenger luxury convertible, not just a showpiece. Overall, the interior of the 1959 Eldorado Biarritz feels special, even by modern standards. It reflects a time when American luxury focused on space, comfort, and visual drama, creating an environment that feels relaxed, confident, and undeniably premium. Performance. Under the hood of the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz lies a powerful and smooth V8 engine that perfectly matches the car's luxurious personality. This model is powered by a massive 6.4-liter V8, producing strong horsepower and, more importantly, an abundance of torque. This engine isn't about quick launches or sharp cornering, it's about effortless acceleration and smooth, confident cruising. Paired with an automatic transmission, the Eldorado glides down the road with minimal effort. Press the accelerator, and the car moves forward with a deep, refined rumble that reminds you of its size and strength. Highway driving is where this Cadillac truly shines, as it feels stable, planted, and comfortable even at higher speeds. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road to deliver a soft, floating ride that became a Cadillac trademark. Steering is light thanks to power assistance, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver such a large vehicle. While it won't feel sporty by any means, the Eldorado Biarritz was never designed for aggressive driving. Instead, it offers a calm, relaxed driving experience that encourages you to slow down and enjoy the journey. Braking performance, assisted by power brakes, is adequate for the era, providing confidence while driving this substantial machine. Fuel economy was not a concern in 1959, and it shows. The Eldorado consumes fuel generously, but owners accept this as part of the experience. What you get in return is a smooth, quiet, and commanding presence on the road, something few cars can match even today. Driving this Cadillac feels like piloting a luxury yacht, steady, powerful, and elegant. Prices. When it comes to value, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz sits firmly in the collectible classic car category. This was an expensive car when new, positioned at the very top of Cadillac's range, and that exclusivity continues today. Prices vary significantly depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality. Well-preserved or fully restored examples can command high prices at auctions and private sales, often reaching into premium collector territory. Cars with matching numbers, original factory options, and high-quality restorations are especially desirable among collectors. The dark green color, when paired with a well-maintained interior and proper detailing, adds to the car's appeal and authenticity. Less perfect examples, including those needing restoration, can still be valuable but require significant investment to bring them back to top condition. Beyond monetary value, owning a 1959 Eldorado Biarritz is about owning a piece of automotive history. This car represents the peak of American excess and optimism, a time when design had no limits and luxury meant going bigger, bolder, and more beautiful. For collectors and enthusiasts, the price reflects not just the metal and mechanics, but the story, legacy, and emotional connection that comes with such an iconic vehicle. The 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz in dark green is more than just a classic car, it's a rolling work of art. From its unforgettable exterior design and lavish interior to its smooth, powerful performance and strong collector value, this Cadillac stands as one of the most iconic vehicles ever produced. It captures an era when cars were built to impress, to inspire, and to symbolize success on the open road. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of America's greatest automotive legends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep the classics alive and the passion for cars stronger than ever.